Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be looking at how to create a quick response generator or a QR code generator using Python. Yeah, I'm talking about something like this. All you need is internet connection. Just make sure you are connected to the internet like this, then run cmd. So to check if pip is installed on your PC or to check the version of your pip, we type pip hyphen then capital letter P. Now it says pip 20.2.4. It means that pip has been installed on my PC with Python. If your pip is not working, just to reinstall your Python and make sure you click on add to path. Now let's install the module we need. So we type pip install pillow. It says requirement already satisfied. It means I have already installed mine. Now the next one is pip install QR code like this. Now requirement already satisfied. Then we can type exit. Now open your Python interpreter or any code editor that you would love to use. I'm going to be using Sublime Text. Let's save our file. So let's save it as QR code gen.py. So the first thing to type here is, let me zoom it for you to see it. The first thing to type here is we import the QR code module. We don't need the pillow module now. The pillow just it will help us interact with pictures in Python. So it is included with the QR code. So we import QR code like this. Then the next thing to type is we create a variable called data. Data is equals to, so we can say that hello world like this. Hello world. Then the next thing to create is, let us create the name of our picture. So let's name it greeting.png. Make sure you put in png. The file extension is very useful. Then we create another variable called image. We say that image is equals to QR code.make like this. Then we'll pass in our data, which is this. We are importing the QR code, then we call the make function in the QR code. Say that make data like this. Then the next thing to type is image. We save our image.save the name of our picture like this. We can either write greetings like greetings.png, but since we've set it to a variable, we see that like this. That's all. Then let's run our code. It says finished in 1.7 seconds. So let's check if what created is there. So let's call it Python. Now this is it. And it has generated the QR code, which is the quick response code. What if we want to generate another one? Let's try to generate another one. We want to generate a link like www.google.com. Let's change the name to, let's call it link.png like this. So run the code again. Build finished in 0.6 seconds. Let's check the now this is it. So I type a link, sir, and it has been generated. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Good day.